Hello everyone. We welcome you to today's video of Make and Easy with Shas. In today's video, you will learn how to make a pot from an old broken ceramic tile. Today's video is going to be very interesting, so without wasting time, let's move to our video. For this, we will need the frame of the design we want to make the pot. So first we make its frame. To make a pencil mark, scale size to measure and line, size written on paper to facilitate size design, and the knife with which we will cut the design. The design will be marked according to size. Now this design will be cut. After cutting, you will have a frame like this. Now we will take broken pieces of ceramic tile, and we'll break them even smaller, so that it fits easily in the frame we have made as we want. Now put these small pieces together, and after gathering, we will put them in a vessel and add water, so that when we put cement on it, they can be well strengthened with cement. Now we will apply the use oil on the frames that we prepared. The advantage of using oil will be that when we fill it with concrete, after drying, the concrete will be separated from the frame very easily, and thus we will get our frame in a good condition that we can use again. You can use it if you want. Now place any paper or old empty cement bag on the floor and place the frame on top of it. Small pieces of tiles will then be placed in the frame in order as long as there is space in the frame. We created 4 frames, and now you can see how we have arranged the tile pieces in these 4 frames. Now cement. A mixture of sand and crushed stone will be prepared for its filling. The concrete mixture is ready to fill the frame. Now the frame will be filled. Iron wire will also be used for reinforcement. all for free fill and see you. We left it for 24 hours. 24 hours have passed, and during this time we have been watering it since the morning after the night. Now let's take it out of the frame and see how it looks. We have prepared a base for it. And now we will connect the 4 pieces that we prepared on this base with the help of cement. It is attached to the base. And what you see is a pipe in the middle. It is installed for the purpose of drilling a hole in the base so that if the water in the pot becomes too much, the excessive water can be controlled through this way. We also left it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the result is in front of you now. We will remove the plastic pipe from it. Now for the base of which we made the temporary frame. Let's remove the frame, and now let's see what it looks like. Now we will color it, and for color we will not use paint, but we will use limestone. Let's see how it looks after coloring. Now this pot is ready for planting, and you can plant your favorite plant in it. In the comment, tell us how you like this video of ours and what kind of video you want to see more. Hope you enjoy making this pot. If you are new to our channel, then quickly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to watch more of our upcoming videos. We look forward to your valuable feedback. Thanks.